ఈజ్ రైట్ టు ఫ్రీడమ్. ముందుగా మీరు నా ఛానల్ని కొత్తగా చూస్తున్నట్టయితే ముందు వీడియోస్ చూడండి. The links are given in the description box, so you can check it there. And coming to topic, right to freedom. Right to freedom is the second fundamental right in Indian Constitution. There are 19 to 22 articles in the right to freedom. Before going to the articles, first we should know about the what is right to freedom. What is right to freedom? Generally, it means freedom for citizens to live a life of dignity. Okay, now coming to articles. Article 19 is protection of six rights. Those are speech and expression, assembly, association, movement, residence, and profession. Actually, this Article 19 contains 7 rights, but it was deleted. The seventh right is acquire, hold, and dispose of property. It was deleted by the 44th Amendment Act of 1978. Six rights. I will explain it in a short and a simple way. First right is speech and expression. Speech and expression. It implies that every citizen has the right to express his views, opinions, beliefs by the word of mouth, writing, picturing, or in any other manner. And next one is assembly. Every citizen has the right to assemble peaceable and without arms. It means right to hold public meetings, demonstrations, and take out processions. Procession means people walking in a formal manner. For example, rallies. In rallies, people go in a formal manner. Next right is association. Association means all the citizens have the right to form associations, unions, cooperative societies, and also political parties, companies, societies, clubs, organizations, etc. We can form any groups or association as our wish. And next one is movement. Freedom of movement. It generally means every citizen has the right to move freely throughout the territory of the country. Means we can move freely from one state to another or from one place to another within the state. And next one is residence. Residence, it states that every citizen has the right to reside and settle in any part of the territory of the country. This rights has two parts actually. Right to reside in any part of the country temporary, or right to settle in any part of the country permanently. There are two rights in residence. And profession. Freedom of profession. Every citizen has the right to practice any profession or to carry any occupation, trade, or business as their wish. Next one is Article 20. Article 20 is protection in respect of conviction for offences. This Article 20 grants protection against arbitrary and excessive punishment to an accused person, whether he is citizen or foreigner. And Article 21, protection of life and personal liberty. This Article 21 declares that no person shall be deprived of his life or personal liberty. This right is available to both citizens and non-citizens. And Article 21A, right to education. This Article 21A declares that states shall provide free and compulsory education to all children of age of 6 to 14 years. And Article 22, protection against arrest and detention. And this Article 22 provides protection to the person who are arrested or detained. And detention is of two types: punitive detention and preventive detention. These are the articles of right to freedom. 19 to 22 articles. And now coming for the trick. For Article 19, the trick is SA square MRP. And in SA square MRP, S stands for speech and expression, and A square in that one, A stands for assembly, and another A stands for association, and M stands for movement, and R stands for residence, and P stands for profession. You can see here protection of six rights. In that six rights, the trick is S square MRP. From Article 20 to 22, the trick is O lead. O lead, you know what is meant by lead, and add O to it. O lead. O stands for offenses, L stands for life and liberty, E stands for education, A stands for arrest, D stands for detention. You can see here, I underlined it. Offenses, life, education, arrest and detention. So the trick is all it. This is our trick of today. So you hope you guys like this video, and మీరు చేసే ఒక లైక్ మాకు ఎనర్జీ డ్రింక్ లాగా, అండ్ మీరు చేసే ఒక సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్ మాకు మెడికిట్ లాగా. ఇదేంటి అనుకుంటున్నారా? మీరు పబ్జీ ప్లేయర్ అయితే మీకు అర్థమై ఉండేది. పబ్జీలో ఎనర్జీ డ్రింక్ అండ్ మెడికిట్ ఎంత ఇంపార్టెంటో మాకు కూడా ఒక లైక్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో ప్లీజ్ గైస్, గివ్ ఇట్ ఎ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్.